What's going on, YouTube? So I did a thing, went and bought a 2022 Indian Chieftain. Just going to do kind of a little walk around. It's a little dirty. I've been riding it pretty good. I haven't seen any 22 model year for the metallic black. This one has a few things that, this one actually doesn't have a few things that some of the other ones have. I don't have locking saddlebags. One of the cool things that I do like is the charging port right here, where you hook your battery tender up to. I don't have navigation, which is okay because I can use my phone. I don't have any of the lights that go in right there that you see a lot of them have, somewhere in this general area right here. It's going to get its oil changed tomorrow, but the Indian head doesn't light up. I don't know if that's by design or if they just didn't hook it up. We'll find out tomorrow. I don't have TPS sensors on the tires or the wheels, but this is the base model. This is the one that you spend $21,999 on. I asked them to give me a sissy bar because the bike that I traded in, which was a Harley Dyna, had a sissy bar. So I didn't want to lose anything in the process. It didn't cost me anything, so it worked out. On this model, the turn signals right there also double and act like brake lights, which in this general area here, most of them have a LED brake light. But it does have the key fob, it does have the stereo system. I can add the navigation onto it if I choose to. I can add the locking key bags or saddlebags if I want to. I can put the TPS sensors on if I want to. But to get everything that has, it was going to be about $8,000 more than what I spent. And I'm kind of a black motorcycle person anyway. I like black motorcycles. A lot of their colors to me just aren't my favorite. They have a lot of the flat colors, flat red, flat blue, flat black. You get up into the Elite and you can get some heavy metal flake. The sun's kind of overcast today, but I can tell you that metal flake is pretty prominent. So anyway, YouTube, that's a 2022 Indian Chieftain. And I can tell you what, the sport mode is no joke. Read up about it.